Hello everybody, welcome back to another short episode where I try to make a pixelated character in 60 seconds. So today I'm actually trying to make a character that I would like to put in the game as one of those like monsters that you're supposed to avoid. Let's see if I can get him looking pretty good. I don't know. So far so good. Essentially, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to make a wolf. Hopefully it looks like a wolf. Let's see. Oop. And then let's put a little bit of pink in the ear. If you want to check out more 60-second characters, check out the playlist and subscribe.